Welcome back to CAD 101, Build the House. If you've ever opened up Fusion and immediately felt lost, like there's buttons everywhere and no idea where to start, you're not the problem. You've just never been shown how this thing is organized. So in this video, I'm going to break down Fusion into just a few key areas so it actually makes sense. We're going to cover how to navigate the view cube and mouse controls, the toolbar and workspace layout, the browser, where you keep your design organized, and the timeline where you can track every step you make. Before you touch any tools, you need to understand this. Fusion is not random. It's built just like a system, and once you understand the layout, everything gets easier. When you open up Fusion as a new user, a lot of times you're met with this. This is your home screen. To start a new file, click on New over here on the far left, or you can just click on Untitled at the very top to get right into your workspace. With the new Fusion, newest update, you'll see this screen. For this video, we're just going to start with part design. So hit Create New. All right, there are 5 main areas you need to know about Fusion. One is the workspace. That's the big space in the middle. This is where you actually build. Everything you create, sketches, parts, models, it all happens right here. Number 2 is across the top. This is called the toolbar. This is where your tools live. Sketch tools, 3D tools, etc. Think of this as what you can do. Number 2, here on the left-hand side of the screen, this is your browser. This is your project structure. It shows your sketches, your bodies, your components. Think of this as what you've already made. Number 4, down here in the bottom, we've got what's called the timeline. Works just like a VCR or a tape or even a YouTube video. It records every step you take. So if something breaks, just hit rewind, move your little timeline here, and you can go back and fix it. Number 5, and this is one of my favorite, this is the view cube. This is the easiest way, in my opinion, on how you control and see your model. From the front side to the top side, the home, etc. If you feel disoriented, if you're lost in how your view looks, click on the home, click on one of these corners, one of these edges, and your view will snap to how you want it to be. Most beginners don't struggle because CAD is hard. They struggle because they don't know where to look. They click randomly, they get stuck, and things stop working. That ends today. Now you understand the layout, we can actually start building, and that will start with sketching. In the next episode, we're going to start with the most important skill in CAD, sketch basics, lines, shapes, and how to actually make them work. Go ahead, click into the next video, and let's keep building.